So the point of this is, and just to introduce Fakira, the point of this is we do a lot of biopsy for no reason. We spend a lot of money on analyzing biopsies. So maybe there are some things which you don't need to biopsy.
David, can I just make an additional observation? We have
Yes.
evidence from Nigel's studies that endoscopists that do more biopsies are more likely to have a pugic. So it's a marker of poor quality endoscopy doing too many biopsies. Did you hear that?
I did. And I think that's very interesting. And we should come back to discuss it later.
Okay, so this is my talk about things that you shouldn't biopsy. I think it's because I think in a lot of training and education programs, we're told about pathological findings. So